Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here in this video I will show you how to download and install Turbo C++ for C and C++ programming. So once you are in browser, just type download Turbo C++ for C and C++ in Google search and then click on download Turbo C++. Now click on download Turbo C++. Your download will start. Then click on setup. Then click on next, and then click on install.